Homeowners searching for double-hung window replacement Birmingham AL want a practical upgrade that improves comfort, appearance, and energy performance. In Birmingham AL, aging frames, sticking sashes, broken locks, and drafty glass often lead families to schedule home window replacement Birmingham AL with a trusted double-hung window company Birmingham AL. Whether the project involves residential double-hung windows, Birmingham in a historic bungalow, or modern double-hung windows Birmingham in a newer build, the right solution can restore curb appeal and indoor efficiency. Birmingham AL double-hung window specialists help match style, material, and performance goals so every room benefits from smoother operation, cleaner lines, and better insulation. Energy savings are a major reason property owners choose energy-efficient double-hung windows Birmingham for their homes. Insulated double-hung windows Birmingham and double-pane double-hung windows Birmingham are popular in the Birmingham metro because they help reduce heat transfer during hot Alabama summers and chilly winter nights. Affordable double-hung windows Birmingham can still deliver strong performance when properly installed and sealed by local double-hung window installers Birmingham. For homeowners comparing double-hung window upgrades, Birmingham AL options like low-maintenance vinyl double-hung windows Birmingham AL, weather-resistant glass packages, and tighter sash construction can lower drafts and improve year-round comfort in every part of Jefferson County. Neighborhood style matters when choosing traditional double-hung windows, Birmingham AL, or modern replacements for a remodel. Historic home double-hung windows Birmingham AL are often selected for older properties in Highland Park. Birmingham double-hung windows projects, Forest Park Birmingham AL double-hung windows renovations, and 5 Points South Birmingham double-hung windows restorations. Wood double-hung windows Birmingham remain a favorite for classic architecture because they preserve charm and period detail. At the same time, custom double-hung windows Birmingham AL offer flexible sizing, finish choices, divided light designs, and updated performance features, making them ideal for homes that need both authenticity and better day-to-day function. Area-specific expertise is especially valuable in Birmingham neighborhoods with varied architecture and renovation goals. Southside Birmingham double-hung window replacement often focuses on efficient upgrades for compact homes, condos, and rentals near campus areas. Crestwood Birmingham double-hung window installers frequently work on charming mid-century and cottage-style properties, while Avondale Birmingham double-hung window repair services support both revitalized homes and investment properties. Red Mountain Birmingham double-hung window company experience can help with hillside exposure and sun-facing elevations, and Cahaba Heights double-hung windows near Birmingham projects often call for polished finishes and premium energy-saving glass. Double-hung windows near UAB Birmingham AL are also in demand for nearby residential properties. Local service coverage makes it easier for homeowners across the region to find the right fit for their property. Double-hung windows Mountain Brook Birmingham AL, double-hung windows, Homewood Birmingham AL, double-hung windows Birmingham AL, and double-hung windows. Vestavia Hills Birmingham AL are in high demand for upscale renovations and energy-conscious upgrades. Families also search for double-hung windows. Trussville Birmingham AL, double-hung windows, Gardendale Birmingham AL, double-hung windows, Pelham Birmingham AL, and double-hung windows Alabaster Birmingham Metro when planning whole home improvements. Across the area, Birmingham Metro double-hung windows Birmingham services are tailored to neighborhood architecture, homeowner budgets, and local climate conditions. A strong installation is what separates average results from lasting value. Double-hung window installation Birmingham should include careful measuring, proper flashing, precise leveling, and a weather-tight seal to prevent leaks and drafts. Experienced double-hung window contractors Birmingham AL understand how Alabama humidity, rainfall, and heat affect materials and installation methods. Whether the property is in Shelby County, double-hung windows Birmingham area communities, or Jefferson County, double-hung windows. Birmingham AL neighborhoods, a quality fit helps insulated units perform as intended. Homeowners requesting double-hung window estimates. Birmingham benefit from clear pricing, material comparisons, and recommendations based on age, style, and condition of the home. Many Birmingham area homeowners choose vinyl because it combines durability, affordability, and low maintenance. Vinyl double-hung windows. Birmingham AL resist rot, peeling, and warping, making them a smart option for busy households that want dependable performance. Affordable double-hung windows. Birmingham and vinyl can still offer tilt-in cleaning, smooth sash operation, and insulated glass for better efficiency. For those wanting a premium look, custom double-hung windows Birmingham AL can be ordered in colors and grid patterns that complement exterior trim and interior decor. The best double-hung windows Birmingham AL balance aesthetics, insulation, and long-term value without creating unnecessary upkeep.